Well, it's that day, ladies and gentlemen. There's a new sheriff in town. Yeah, sure. Uh, no, there's a new Android studio in town. This time it's named Ladybug. Number 2024.2.1. Everybody gets to update their package. Uh, Looks like the same old. Let me see here. Screen looks like. Well, it looks like this. There's some different colors. Uh, when you open a new project, for example, this is kind of new. That's kind of different. Hmm. What? Cancel. I'm sure that I'm doing. Yeah. I've been trying to recreate another app I've been working on, and using scroll view, using as a container using scroll view, so you can have multiple things on the screen, and it scrolls up or scrolls down. You can also scroll horizontally, and I'd like to combine those on a screen. My bank app is like that. It scrolls in all kinds of directions. And I'm looking forward to using new Ladybug to help me get there. However, I've already had two unknown IDE failures that it sent off reports to the mothership there, IntelliJ. Uh, I don't know what it is, if it's going to be fatal, if there's going to be a new release right fast on the heels of this one to fix it, whatever problem that was. So that's all I was going to say today, folks, is there's a new ladybug in town. There's a new ladybug in town, and I got mine, so short video. Like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Ciao.